Welcome to GB's Garage. Today I'm going to be showing you what to do if the hood on your BMW E39 doesn't latch correctly. On mine in particular, I had one side that wouldn't latch. So what it was doing, it was latching on this, which is the mechanism that you pull on to release, but it wasn't latching on this. So there's 3 points, 1, 2, and the third one. So if you find the edges of the hood, you can pull them up a little bit, but you do need to pull this to release it. It means that it's only latching on this and not on these. Now what it is over here, you'll see there's this spring-loaded piece of metal here, and it moves in and out. So what happens is that spring-loaded, or the spring pin here, goes in, it pushes this out, and then it closes back in. So on mine, it was all the way in like that. It was stuck in the open position. So the hood was only latching on this. So all you need to do is I recommend a pick. You just get a pick in there. Well, I sprayed a WD-40, get a pick in there, loosen that, and then just work it back and forth a little bit like that. Spray a little bit more, work it back and forth. And even if the other side is okay, I would recommend doing it here for just preventative maintenance. That will resolve your issue of your hood not latching correctly. All right, I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.